How to create subject and class schedule. How to assign class and teacher.
Step 1. Login into School Excel app. Click on Academic. Click on Class and Section. Click on Assign Class Teacher. Select Class. Select Section. Select Class Teacher. Click on Save button. Check Saved 1 under Class Teacher list. Step 2. Click on Subject. Again click on Subject. Click on Create Subject. Enter subject name. Enter subject code. Subject author is optional. Select subject type. Click on Save button. Check Saved Subject under Subject list. Step 3. Click on Class Assign. Click on Assign tab. Select Class. Select Section. Select single or multiple subjects. Click on Save button. Check Saved 1 under Assign list. Step 4. Click on Teacher Assign. Click on Assign tab. Select Teacher. Select Class. Select Section. Select Subject. Click on Save button. Check Saved 1 under Teacher Assign list and repeat same for all the subjects. Step 5. Click on Class Schedule. Click on Add Schedule button. Select Class. Select Section. Select Day. Click on Filter button. Under Add Schedule select Subject. Select Teacher. Select Starting Time. Select Ending Time. Enter Classroom. To add one more row, click on Add More button. Click on checkbox and Break column to schedule break. Click on Save button. To check saved schedule, click on Class Schedule. Select Class. Select Section. Click on Filter button. To edit schedule, click on Edit button. Edit recurred changes like times and click on Update button. To check updated one, click on Class Schedule. Select Class. Select Section. Click on Filter button.
Thank you.